7, let's learn how to say his book or her book, their book, his car, her car. Let's get started. His book, kitabuhu. His book. Her book, kitabuha. Her book, kitabuha. His car, sayyaratuhu. His car. What if I want to say her car? Sayyaratuha. Her car. I want to say their car. Sayyaratuhum. Sayyaratuhum. In plural form. And what if the two person I'm going to say it's their car? What will I say? Sayyaratuhuma. Sayyaratuhuma. And it same goes for feminine also. Sayyaratuhuma. What if I want to say her bag? Hakibatuha. Hakibatuha. My bag. My bag. Hakibati. Hakibati. His bag. Hakibatuhu. Hakibatuhu. Their bag. Hakibatuhunna. Our bag. Hakibatuna.